this could be the biggest storm of the summer. There is a huge line of storms, look, but it looks just like that on radar, and it's coming towards me. It's huge. We're gonna see what it's like when this thing hits, and I'm gonna go get some better footage of it. I can see the shelf cloud forming right there. Look, you can see it right there. It's right there. It's like the cleft area of it. Oh my gosh, I see the main shelf cloud now. Oh, it looks crazier over there. Look at this. There it is, right there. Oh crap. Crap. I hear it. Crap. It's here. Oh my gosh. Look at those. These trees are gonna get folded back. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh no. Oh, oh. Holy crap! Oh my gosh, guys. We already lost a tree. Holy crap. We already lost a tree. Oh crap. Oh my gosh. Yo. We're under the shelf. Huge pine tree just came down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a big gust. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Holy crap. There's branches coming down. Look over there. Oh crap. Oh! Oh my gosh. Look over there, guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Holy crap. Oh my gosh. There's stuff everywhere falling down. Like pine needles. Oh my gosh. We're literally getting straight line wind gust from a shelf cloud. Oh my gosh. That just took down the little, what was that? Something cracked over here. I don't know what it was. We don't need to lose any more trees though. Oh crap. Okay, I want it to get a little stronger though. Bro, what was that? Oh my gosh. Look at that gust. Oh, it's crazy out here, guys. Oh my gosh. Wonder what fell down. I think it was something that I left for the sun. Look over there, guys. Oh, my dead tree's going crazy too. Oh, it ain't done yet. We're getting gusts. We're getting straight line wind gusts from it. Like up there, look at that. Look at those trees. They're flexing. They're bending. Oh my gosh! Holy crap. Those are probably 60, 70 mile per hour gusts. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's probably 60. I don't know about 70 yet. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's kind of getting sunny over that way, but I don't care. I'm staying out here because we're getting these straight line wind gusts. Oh, look back there. Oh my gosh. I wonder what's going on in the woods. Oh my gosh. It's still going. Look at this. Uh-oh. Back there. There's a big one. There's a big one, there's a big one, there's a big one, there's a big one. Okay. Here it is. Oh, look at that. This top of the storm is up there. Oh, look at those trees. Oh my God. I just can't believe a tree came down. That's what I'm happy about. Oh yeah, the Forbidden Bucket Challenge is doing good. Yeah. I kind of want to go check on what fell, but I don't know if there's a big old straight line wind gust that's gonna hit. Okay, what fell was the tree that I previously cut that I was hoping that would fall. Oh no. But it actually fell. Oh crap. Look at the pines, they're bending. Bro, this is bad. Well actually no, I wanted this to fall down in the storm. But it got stuck. And there's a pine tree also stuck, that bent one. It's gone. That can't be fixed. There are branches under here too. Look, that ain't gonna fall. It girdled the tree right there. Oh, look how the top broke off of it from the wind, which is good. We wanted it to fall, but not get stuck. So it's gonna be here for probably a few months to a few years. But yeah, I mean, progress is progress. Okay, the ominous shelf cloud separated from the storm and went that way with all the wind gusts. But there's a butterfly up there. Oh, there's cat hair floating through there. But storm separated, but it's raining. I don't know what's going on with this thing, but I mean, that's fine. Look at that. It's like sunny at the same time. Oh, it's raining over there though. Bro, we're literally under a second shelf cloud that has no wind. I don't know if it's good or bad, but the storm has intensified into a strong squall line right after it got to us. So, I don't know, we did lose a tree, so it's kind of, you know, it did something. It was already down though, the tree was hung up. And I wanted it to fall, so that's good. But there's still rain, so I might record some of that. Alright, the patio peeling storm is over. If you like these videos, you should probably subscribe. But yeah. That's gonna be the end of the video because the storm is gone. Alright.